So I figured I'd have a little fun, make a quick video. I see a lot of videos on people removing hubs. And they just say, oh, it's just a quick wiggle on a pry, and then it pops right off, and that never happens. So if you see clamps in a pry bar, and then I'll show you what I did to pop it off. Alright, so everybody likes to show off their redneck engineering, redneck physics. This is how I found to remove a hub bearing. I've got 3 C-clamps. Struggling with the last one. Now last time I did this though, I had extra hands. So let's see if I can... I don't know, I can't really find a good way to put a camera. I know you can get a pulley puller that would probably do the trick just fine. I don't have one. Not for this size at least. I hear my kids incoming. I can already see it shifting in there. So it's just a matter of working on it. Where I put one crossed onto the axle hub and then hook the other two. And a lot easier than beating it with a hammer or anything like that. Alright, so this one is wanting to fight me a little bit. So I'm going to try to break it free a little bit. There we go. Break that corrosion up there a little bit. Okay. Again, this is easier with 2 hands. It kind of helps to support the one you're cranking on. Removed.